guys, welcome back. Today I wanted to do my glam makeup routine. I am no makeup artist. I just love makeup and I don't wear this much makeup every day, but it was recently my 26th birthday, so I thought that I would do my makeup how I did it for my birthday. I hope I give you some tips and tricks, just let you see how I do my makeup for kind of more a glam event and my go-to makeup. So if you are interested in seeing how I got this makeup look, please keep watching and I will walk you through it. So I'm going to start with my primer. Then I'm going to mix these two, the Wet n Wild Photo Focus and the Conceal and Perfect. I have my damp beauty sponge from L'Oreal, and I have the Maybelline Fit Me and the Tarte Shape Tape. So what I like to do is with the Fit Me, I do a triangle, do my laugh lines, and I do my chin. And with the Tarte, I put like 3 dots. Blend that in. Set under my eyes some little Stay Matte in transparent. Set the rest of my face is the L'Oreal True Match Powder in W6. Patting everything in. I'm not buffing, I'm patting. To contour, I'm using my Makeup Forever in 30M, and I have this kind of like contoured e.l.f. brush. Anastasia Brow Wiz to fill in my brows. And to fill in the tails of my eyebrows, I use this random color from my Morphe palette that's like a disaster. But I just use this random color on this teeny little, I think this is a Luxie 215. And I only do the ends. Give them a little brush through, very lightly. Like, don't like scrape them or everything's just gonna go away. For highlight, I do my highlight before I do my blush. I just feel like when I put my highlight on top of my blush, it like, I don't know, this is just always how I've done it. Not always, but. So I have my Laura Geller Gilded Honey. For blush, I have the Blush by the Balm. I still don't know what color it is, but it's like a coral. For eyes, I'm going to use my Morphe 350 palette. I've had this forever. It's like the only eyeshadow palette I have, but it has all warm neutrals, which are my favorites. Color over here. And just start slowly blending that into my, like, above my crease. I'm gonna take that same color and put it on my lower lash line. Very lightly. Alright, so I have this like janky palette that I've literally had. It has no top, it's from e.l.f. But there's this one color, that color, I'm like obsessed with it. And I had lost this and I just found this like last week. But I use this one color to put in the actual crease. And I'm gonna put that same color with this kind of more defined edge of the brush and put it on my lower lash line. For my lid, I'm kind of like back and forth. If I want to do like something sparkly, I think I just want to do something really dark and matte. And for that, I like warm colors. I have blue eyes, so I feel like the coppery warm colors like really make my eyes pop. So for that, I always use this color. It's like directly in the middle. It's this like dark brownie reddy. And I just put it on the tip of my finger and tap it on my eyelid. That the eyeshadow's on, I'm gonna blend everything. So I was just gonna put on these fake lashes that I just ripped apart. They're so pretty though. They're the Ardell Mink lashes. They're like a little more expensive than the normal ones. So I guess I'm just gonna put on the wispies, and I wanna show you how I put my eyelashes on. I don't know if it's correct, but it works for me. So I'm gonna just take a pair of the Demi Wispies. Always put them on your eyelash, like without anything on, to see if you need to trim them. You wanna put the tiniest bit of lash glue on the band as you can. So for me, I have white straight lashes, so I don't put anything on my lashes before I put the fake lashes on. I just put the lashes as close to my lash line as I possibly can. And then after I let everything dry, I put mascara on and then I curl everything together. You can tell me I'm wrong. I don't know if there's a right way to do that, but that's what works for me the best. And that's what I feel like makes them look the most natural. So I'm gonna let my lashes just dry for a second, and I'm gonna do my lip. So this is the Ofra lip liner in Wine. This is the L'Oreal Telescopic Carbon Black. So I just did my top lashes, and I'm just gonna lightly coat the bottom. For my inner corner, and just to be a lot more precise with the highlighter, I'm using the Gilded Honey again. I have this teeny little e.l.f. brush. It looks like a little, almost right with it, like a little pen. So I put this on my inner corners. My actual birthday, I don't know if I'll switch it up and do a different lip, but I'm just gonna do my tried and true Child Star by Too Faced. Now with this, you don't want to smear it all over your lips. I'll show you. It's just really, it's a liquid lipstick, so it gets really dry, which my lips are already a little dry, so I just go like this. Always have baby wipes on hand. All right, I'm gonna curl my eyelashes, change what I'm wearing, and that is the finished look. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already,